Hi friends! Today we're going to take you on a little tour of Spencer Smith Park in Burlington, Ontario. As you enter the park, you can see that the walkway is quite wide and plenty of room for walking, biking, strollers, scooters, longboards, and any other thing. It's fun going to the end of the pier, gazing out to the lake and back towards the park. Some of our friends and relatives who are not familiar with the Great Lakes really can't believe that Lake Ontario is actually a lake. It really does look like the ocean in places where you can't see land across the lake. Over by the willow trees, there's a naval ship's memorial. It's dedicated to the memory of the 31 warships and over 3,000 people who were lost during World War II. And here's Spencer's restaurant, dining with a view. And right around the corner from the park is Burlington Beach. There's Alex making the most of his electric bike. These photos are from the light show set up at Christmas time. Every September, we have Canada's largest Rib Fest. Also, every summer is a huge music festival called the Sound of Music Festival. We hope you enjoyed this little tour of Spencer Smith Park. Thanks for watching!